Hello students, how are you all? Today in this video we will deal with the part 3 of the chapter fuel, in which we will especially focus on the topic alternative to the fossils fuel. Okay, so in the second part we had discussed what are the fossils fuel, and we got that it is a non-renewable source. It takes a long time to replenish, so we need to be careful for the use of this fossil fuel. Okay, and we should go for some alternative, means some other options. Okay, so the important thing is that let me show you with the help of flowchart. You can see it is a fossil fuel which is a non-renewable source. Non-renewables means the source which will take long time to replenish, means its recovery needs long time. Okay, and about fossil fuel, it is a limited. Okay, as it is no long lasting. Then the second very important thing is that the burning of fossils will cause air pollution. It is non renewable, means not long lasting, limited source. The 3 points, these 3 points becomes very important for, and which causes or which its consequence result into the alternative. So we need to use, as we know that it is non-renewable, it is limited, and it cause air pollution. If we use it without care, okay, if we misuse, I should say, if we use in a large quantity, then there will be so much air pollution, it will be finished very soon. So we need to use it with care. Now the question comes, how can we use with care? There are two alternatives or two options for this. First, avoid its wastage. Okay, we can avoid the wastage of fossil fuel. And the second very important thing is, still if we need energy, because nowadays we are basically, as we are developing gradually, we need so much of energy consumption. Nowadays it becomes a you can say prestige or status of any country. So for the use of energy consumption, or we need some alternative fuel. Okay, then we got the concept alternative to fossil fuel. Why we got this? Because it is non-renewable, it causes air pollution, it is limited, so we need to use it with care. And we can do it with in the two ways: by avoid its wastage. But if we avoid its wastage, then we have to be very careful. And one more option for this, if we need a large energy consumption, then we can go for the alternative fuel. And now let's see what is this alternative fuel. Except this fossils, we can use the solar energy. Okay, I'm just giving some examples. Solar energy, for example, you have seen the solar panel for electricity generation, solar cooker you have seen, then the windmill, as we have talked earlier also, even in the lower classes you have met this model. So it is a windmill. What is this? Let me show you. It is a windmill. These blades, when move with the help of because of the you can see very speedy wind wave, then it will move the turbine, and that turbine will generate electricity. Okay, then the second option alternative of this, biogas plant, it will generate the gas, which gas on burning will release very less amount of harmful substances which causes pollution. And we can use it in different ways: for cooking, for you can say as a lighting bulbs. Then let me show you one more example of this solar cooker. This you have made its model also. It is very easy. There is a mirror which reflect the light, and this is a black, totally black, because it absorb the energy so much, and we can cook it. It is very easy, and its concept is also very easy. It is the solar panel, okay, and this it just absorb the solar energy and it stores it, and with the help of the solar energy we can use that solar energy in different works. Okay, so I had shown you the solar energy as a alternative fuel, windmills, biomass, then the tidal waves, in which we use the tidal waves for energy, generating energy, and then the one more geothermal energy, the heat energy present below the earth's surface, we can use it. Okay, there are so many alternatives of the fossils fuel, but the problem is that there is some conditions that these energies which we can't just totally depend on them. These are alternatives, they can be just as a second option, or we can't substitute the main option with that. Means we can't be totally depend upon these, because all these which I am telling, this alternative fuels, uh, its productivity is little bit low, and its terms and condition are so much that we have to work according to that. Okay, we have to manage it. Then now come to that was the alternative fuel. Now come to the avoid wastage, avoid its wastage. How can we use? In generally we should avoid the wastage of energy, and we should wastage of fossil fuel burning also. First thing, if we avoid its wastage, there are the three profits we can get. First, we can save the fuel, then we can save the money, and then we can reduce the air pollution. So, the three things: save fuel, save money, reduce water pollution. Now, let's see the avoid wastage. How can we? We can conserve fuel by, if we need to go somewhere, we can use cycle or we can go by walk, we should go. And we can form a carpool, means we should not use the cars individually or vehicles, we can go in group, and we should prefer the public transport, metro, trains, so that we can avoid the wastage of energy. Okay, so in that flow chart we have got everything about this alternative to the fossil fuel. So let me show you some important points related with this, but I will read it also. Fossil fuel are available in limited quantity, as I have told you. Okay, and are not likely to last for the, not I am saying, okay, not likely to last for a longer, are also the major cause of environmental pollution. We should therefore use them with care. Okay, and I had and all these points, that 3 points in this, in my flowchart. We should avoid their wastes and take care suitable steps to minimize their use. Efforts are now being made to develop vehicles which can run on electricity other than alternative fuels, are other alternative fuels are also being tried. You can just see here, I did not talk about this e-rickshaws or e-cars, e-bikes. They use a hydroelectricity generation, means the electricity they use, and that is a renewable source, and it just cause very even no air pollution. So these are also very good alternative. We should also make suitable efforts to conserve fuel as and when we can. How? For example, it is better to use cycle or walk to nearby place instead of going on a car or the motorbike. It is also desirable to form a carpool, and you should and to use the public transport like buses, metro, trains for traveling with the city. Now important, this is not only save fuel and money, but will also reduce the environment pollution. We all need to take adequate steps to face challenges and problems posed by the fuel crisis, okay, and increase environmental pollution. So we should be careful for these two problems. We can just see green energy. We are just looking for this, okay. When it is bright, switch off the light, okay. So save energy. Clear? Now the keywords, I am just reading it. Biomass, the waste matter of the animals and plant. We have discussed it also. And CNG, compressed natural gas. Coal, a black rock that is type of the fossil fuel. Fossil which are formed from the decomposition of living things over the period of million of years. Then the fuel, a substance that produce energy on burning. Green fuel, the fuel which causes less environment pollution. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, non-renewable sources of energy, a source of energy likely to be available only for the limited period of time. Petroleum, fossil fuel used mainly for the transportation. PNG, piped natural gas, renewable source of energy, sustainable source of energy likely to be always available. So it was all about this chapter. In the next discussion, we will try to discuss the exercise of this chapter, okay students. So thank you very much. Read the topic carefully, even read the chapter twice or thrice carefully so that you can get the concepts of this chapter, okay. Thank you class.